各位，我发现了一款非常拟真的 AI 的 App， 它可以让你练英文口说，它非常的可怕。等一下我就直接示范我跟它练英文的一个过程给你们看。Hello Annie, how was your weekend?
Hey there, my weekend was pretty awesome. Thanks for asking. I went hiking with some friends and we had a picnic at the top of a hill. The view was absolutely breathtaking. How about you? How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun or exciting?
Yeah, my weekend was pretty fulfilling since I spent some quality time with my family, and I also enjoyed a fancy dinner with my boyfriend, and I joined a book club with my friends. My weekend was truly fulfilling.
That sounds like a fantastic weekend, full of quality time and fun activities. Spending time with family is always special, and a fancy dinner with your boyfriend sounds so romantic. And joining a book club, that's awesome.
这支影片如果你没有收藏的话，真的非常可惜，好不好？如果你觉得真的对你有帮助的话，帮我收藏，然后按个爱心。我是穗，下次见，拜拜。